Hello friends, my name is Amrit, and welcome to our new fresh video. In this video we talk about Dell Inspiron 24 all-in-one PC along with telling the details. I am also sharing some pictures with you so that you will get complete information about this product easily. Please watch full video. So let's start. Dell released a new Inspiron 24 all-in-one PC, equipped with an upgraded version of the AMD Ryzen 5625U processor. Desktop comes with extremely narrow bezels on three sides, with the fourth side, the bottom, packing the speaker. A 23.8-inch LCD display with an FHD resolution is featured, with a 99% sRGB color gamut coverage, and support for Comfort View plus 15W TDP Ryzen 5625U. CPU is assisted by 8GB of DDR4 3200MB, HRTZ RAM and 512GB of SSD for storage. Color options are shadow gray and pearl white, and there's even a pop-up camera present. In terms of interfaces, the Dell Inspiron 24 comes with 4 USB ports, HDMI in and out, SD card slot, and more. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box, and if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.